Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Doris Etito. Today I want to show you how to make the perfect Nigerian fried rice, and these are the ingredients I'll be using. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with family and friends. So in here I have 4 standard cups of rice, some chicken, cow liver, sausage, some eggs, green or runner beans, carrots, green bell pepper, spring onions, green chili peppers, sweet corn, fresh pepper, white and red onions, curry powder, thyme leaves, black pepper, ginger, bay leaf, seasoning cubes, garlic, salt to taste, and pure vegetable oil. To begin, cook the liver, dice it and set aside. To season the chicken, blend the onions, garlic, ginger, fresh pepper to make a paste. As you will notice, I have 2 types of pepper, red and yellow. The yellow pepper is also called Cameroon pepper. It's very hot and spicy. It gives a lot of flavor and great taste, so kindly use in moderation. I have washed the chicken thoroughly, so I'm adding some seasoning cubes into the chicken. Also, I'm adding the blended pepper onions mixture into the chicken. I'm adding some black pepper, curry powder, some thyme leaves. I'm throwing in some bay leaves and some salt to taste. Give the chicken a good mix and place the chicken in a refrigerator to rest for about 1 hour. While the chicken is resting in the refrigerator, go ahead to prep the vegetables. After an hour, cook the chicken for about 10 minutes without adding water, so the chicken releases its natural taste, and then add some cool water. You can adjust the seasoning if necessary and cook the chicken. When done, fry the chicken until golden brown on both sides. For the rice, I washed and parboiled for 10 minutes, and then I strain, then place in a pot. Add the chicken stock to the rice. Make sure you sieve the stock before adding it to the rice. Add water if the chicken stock is not adequate to cook the rice. Add seasoning cubes to the rice. Add some salt to taste. Curry powder, thyme leaves, white and red onions. Then add bay leaf and stir. Allow to cook on medium heat. With the right quantity of water and rice on the same level, You can see the rice is perfectly cooked with no water at the bottom of the pot. Add margarine or butter to give the rice some good shine. Then simmer for 1 minute, then stir. Our rice is ready. Keep aside. It's time to fry the vegetables. Place a dry pan on fire, then add some margarine or butter. Add the raw eggs, then scramble the eggs like so. Remove the eggs from the pan, then fry the sausage. Sausage cooks quickly, so make sure you are not over frying it. Remove the sausage from the pan once it's done. Our vegetables, they are answering their names. It's time to fry our vegetables. They are looking so beautiful. Place a pan on fire, then add some vegetable oil, preferably the leftover oil from the fried chicken, because there are lots of flavor in that oil. Add the garlic, then add the onions. Stir and add the green beans and carrots. Also, add the diced cooked liver. Add the green peppers, spring onions, green chili pepper, fresh red pepper, scrambled eggs, and stir. Add the sausage, then season with salt or seasoning cubes. Then add the sweet corn. Stir again and our vegetable is ready. It's time to combine our lovely vegetables with our rice. We are frying in 2 batches. I already fried the first batch before I realized that my camera was not filming. So place the pan again on fire, then pour the remaining batch of vegetable in the pan. Add the cooked rice. So we are going to stir fry this rice. That is what fried rice is all about. You fry and not steam. You don't pour vegetable over your rice. You pour your rice over your vegetable in a pan, then you stir fry. So continue to stir fry on high heat. Mix continuously to prevent the rice from burning. Actually tasted delicious. It tasted so delicious and so good. Look at that, packed with lots of vitamins and nutrients. Our Nigerian fried rice is ready. With this method of cooking Nigerian fried rice, you are sure of your rice not going bad so quickly. Your rice will not spoil quickly because you actually fried it. You actually stir fry it, so it won't go bad easily. The rice tasted so delicious, so yummy, so everything. Let me know in the comment section what you think about our Nigerian fried rice. Please do well to give this video a like. Leave a comment in the comment section. Do well to share this video to your friends, your family members, your neighbors, everyone. Okay, thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. I don't waka.